guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. This one right here is a very simple but powerful strategy, alright? And I'll be keeping this video very simple and short, okay? So here is what you are to do regarding this powerful strategy. These are the conditions. First of all, you are to allow this red and black indicator here to get to the 15 level. All right, we are on crash 1000 right now, and here on the indicator window 1, you are to allow also the moving average to get to the 15 level too. All right, so what I'm trying to say is that these two indicators need to be in agreement, all right, before you take any entry. All right, so once you are observing the market and you see that the red and black indicator gets to the oversold level, here again you see that the moving average also gets to the oversold level, which is the 15 level. All right, and this is trying to tell you that price has gotten to the oversold level, and any moment from now, any moment from then, there will be a rejection. All right, or the trend of the market will start changing. All right, that is what will happen. All right, so now this is how you get a full confirmation on that. Now once you observe that two condition, the next thing is that you wait for a crossing of the black above the red. All right, so once you see that crossing, once you see the crossing, that is when you should be taking your entry. And when before you take the entry, you need to make sure that particular candle that is crossing the red line should close. All right, so once that candle close, you are to go in for 5 candles, and once you are done with your 5 candles, you are to exit the market. All right, you don't need to stay longer. Okay, so these are the conditions you need. All right, let me show you another example. So you can see here, this indicator here was not touching the overbought level, but there was a crossing here. So this is not a condition for you to enter. You need to wait for the boat to get to the 15 level, as you can see right here. So once you see that, the next thing is that you wait for the crossing to happen. Once the crossing happens, that particular candle that cross it needs to be closed, and after that candle, the next one, you take your entry and you take 5 candles. All right, you wait for 5 minutes and you exit the market. All right, it's as simple as that. You don't need to be greedy with this. All right, this is a scalping strategy. You just get in and then you get out. All right, this is how simple it is. You can see again, here's another example how it is. All right, so this is a very powerful strategy. It works. All right, and then another thing you need to take note of is the trend of the market. All right, so currently this is a downtrend right now, so this is not a good time for you to be taking trade with this strategy. Right, so if you want to be taking trade with this strategy, you need to wait for price to start going up, this to start going up. Right, that is when you go to the 1 minute time frame, and then you wait for your conditions to be met, and then you take entries with it. All right, so but in this situation, you just wait and observe. Right, so the same part and strategy you apply on the 1 minute, you can also apply it here on the 15 minutes. Here on the 15 minutes now, you can wait for the black to start crossing above the red. Once you start crossing, then you go to the 1 minute time frame, and then you apply the same conditions before you take any entry. Right, so it's as simple as that, guys. So without wasting much of our time, let me just quickly share with you the setting for this powerful strategy. So first things first, you click on this N icon here. After clicking on the N icon, the first indicator here is the relative strength index. You have to first of all add the relative strength index. Here you can see the parameters. The period is 1, they apply to close. The style, we have 3 pixels, the color is black. Then the levels, we have 15 and 85. Alright, so after that you click on done. Then under the relative strength index, which is the indicator window one, alright, before you add that, you click on this one and then you add the moving average, which is this one right here. You set and add the moving average. Now the parameters, we have the period 10, the shift is 0, the method is simple, the apply to close. Under this style, we have 3 pixels and the color is black, but you can use any color of your choice, right? After that, you click on done. That is for the indicator window 1. Now for the indicator window 2, which is this one right here, alright, before you add the indicator window 2, you have to click on this icon above here. Then you search for MACD. So after searching and adding the MACD, here are the parameters. Alright, make sure you set everything to be the same as this one. Alright, so after setting everything, alright, so just to be quick, just take a screenshot, alright, and make sure you set everything to be the same. So after setting it that way, now you have a indicator window 2. You are going to have indicator window 2, and for you to add the moving average under it, you need to click on this icon here. Alright, so you search for moving average, and these are the parameters. Alright, so you make sure you set everything to be the same thing you are seeing here on this video now. Alright, so after that, you click on done. You click on this F icon again, and then you add the relative strength index, which is our last indicator here. Alright, and these are the parameters. Period is 1, apply to close. Under the style, we have 3 pixels, the color is black, and then the levels, we have 15 and the 85. Alright, so you have to set the pixel to, and the color is black if you are using a white background, right? But if you are using a black background, you can use any color of your choice, so long it should or reflects on your screen. So after that, you click on done, and then you are going to have a screen like this. Alright, you are going to have a money making screen. So like I said earlier, the strategy works on an uptrend if you are on crash, and on boom it works on a downtrend. Alright, so make sure you observe it. You analyze the market from the 15 or the 30-minute time frame before using the 1-minute time frame to take your entries. Alright, and don't forget to practice it with your demo account before going live. Alright, don't just take my words for it, practice it with your demo first, see if it's working for you before you can go live with it. Alright, so that is all for this video. See you guys in the next video. And before I forget, if you are a new subscriber or if you are a new viewer, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this next time, you get notified immediately. Thank you guys, you're out.